So morning after good night. What time you guys are watching it? As you guys could see, I already started to open up some of these. Like, I was just so excited I couldn't wait. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. As I said in my previous video, right? The timer that I gotten before this one, it was kind of bad, like really bad. Not kind of, it was definitely bad. But yeah, so this is the second one I decided to get. And to my surprise, I mean, obviously it shows it on the box, there's two of them. So you guys could see when I pull them out. Right here. So this is what they look like and everything. So it comes in up here. And they're like a bunch of different colors too. So I just got in, as you guys could see in here. I got in the basic white ones, but as you guys could see, they come in different colors and everything. But yeah, so simple. You know, easy instructions, everything. You know, the AAA comes with the AAAs and everything. Okay, this is how it is, and it has the switch in the back. So in the middle, you turn it on with the volume right, and all the way to the left. As you can see, silent. Now, it's a good thing that they put this button on there. I'll get back to that in a second, but yeah. So under here, you'll see this little lip right here. Just put your finger in there, and this could be adjusted. So basically, it's like you could have, have it on the desk, whatever, right? On any surface, whatever, right? Or you guys can see the magnet right there. Tap it on the fridge, whatever, stick to it and all that, right? So yeah, let me show you when I put on the volume, right? Listen to this. It's gonna get really annoying, right? So it's a lucky thing, like I said, they put the silent button here. You guys could see. You get it? The silent switch, the silent option. So when you're adjusting whatever time you need, right? So this is minute, this is seconds, right? You press both of them to clear it, right? And this is the start stop button. So if you clear it and there's like, it's all zeros, and you hit that, it's a start stop button. So it will just, run the time. And I think most it does, let's get see right here, most it does right here, right? Yeah. So keep going until it reaches that number. Let me stop it. So you clear it, you put whatever time you want, whatever seconds, how many ever seconds you want, right? And you just hit the start and it will count down, right? And the minute, for whatever minute, same thing. Hit the start button and it will count down. Okay? So yeah, that's that. And yeah, like I said, comes in twos, comes in a pair. So yeah, same thing. This one's also good to go as well, right? You just turn those off, and it's pretty loud. Oh, I didn't do the actual test, so just give it a second. Let me show you guys. Oh, that's good. So even if it's on off on silent, you could still hear the thing when you start it. So silent is more for adjusting the time that you want to set, right? So let me try that one more time, too, and then I'll put it on the loud side, right? There you go. Yeah, so that's how loud it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn it off, set it to the side, and over here, inside, I already started opening stuff. A couple more stuff over here. I also have this bigger package in the living room, but I'll get to that in a second. So over here, like I said, have the new. Oh, I love this. Have the new phone that they've gotten, and you guys already know I wanted to try and not try. I'm going to have like both Android and iOS, but I haven't like decided on what Apple phone or Apple whatever iPhone. I haven't chosen an iPhone yet that I want to use as my daily driver. So for now, still rocking with my Android and everything, and then we'll see how it goes later on next year, 2022. We'll see what phones come out and everything. As I said, don't do notches, don't do punch holes, nothing, none of that. So whatever they come up with, they better not include any of that, any of the notches or anything. They have like really big notches on the phone and everything. I just like a full screen, full display, no obstructions, right? So I got this case for my Android. As you guys know, well, if you haven't already, go check that video out. But it's the Galaxy, the Note 9. Now, as I said, no punch. I don't do punch holes or any of that. So I went and got in one of the older phones, the Note 9. Any of the newer ones out right now, it's pretty much a bunch of punch holes and everything. So it's not my scene, not my style. I don't like it, so I'm not gonna get it. Because I decided to. And besides, the whole thing about the batteries in Samsung phones heating up, like overheating, like way too much, and to an extent where it's like burning and all this different stuff. Like, I'm not even into that. I know for sure that the Note 9 was one of the good ones. Only thing I don't like is I like when it's cut out like this, but I just like prefer like a little flap to cover the hole, right? That's just me. Other than that, it's not a bad case. It's like a nice, sturdy. It's not really soft. It's a hard plastic, so yeah, rigid. It's good. It's a good case. Over here, let's see. I remember when I was younger. I used to have a bunch of these, right? And then, as you guys know, I was in the military and everything, so I dried up and everything, and now I'm out. So I'm not saying it's just nostalgic. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure why I did this. It was just like, hey, you could do it, so just do it. Something like that. I don't know. I was wanting to have it, everything. It's crazy. Look at this. Okay, so it seems like they're not all put together. Seems like they're not all put together very well. That is crazy. What is this? Okay, so it seems. Let me see. I don't know if that's the only one. I don't see a reason to return it, but if there's multiple ones like that, then come on. It's not gonna fly, Let's see. I'm looking. What is this? Alright, so when they can't get themselves together, then they need to rethink things. Let me see, there's two of them are like that. That's crazy. Pretty much everything else is, I think it looks okay. I mean, pretty fine. Yeah, okay. So whatever. It's not the best. When I was growing up, like I said, I have a bunch of, but they were like a little bit better. I feel like they were better than this. It's like setting up different places around the house or whatever. Yeah. Let me set that aside. Now, let's do this one. Alright, so you guys already know I'm trying to get more into my soldering and all that, so definitely going to need some of these for wires and stuff. You know, you cover up the wires when you're doing soldering. These were supposed to be magnifying glass. I'm gonna put up a picture of how it looked on the screen, okay, compared to what I'm seeing right now. This is ridiculous. I mean, it works, yeah, but let me see. Like, it works just fine, but that's definitely not what I ordered. These people, oh my gosh. Sometimes, like, Amazon is just, depending on who or depending on where you buy stuff from, oh my gosh. Just gonna get some ridiculous stuff in the mail. Oh my god. Alright, so let me set that aside. Definitely know what I ordered, so these are getting returned. Definitely. Oh, cannot believe this. Okay. Now what I ordered. But these, definitely I ordered them. Definitely ordered these. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's cool. Color coded. Different dimensions and everything. Different sizes and everything on here. Just cool. These look like a lot bigger online. I'll have to double check, but should be what I ordered should be all set. So the heat shrink, yeah, that's the name. It's the name of them, heat shrink. As I already know, so when you're soldering two wires together, you put this in between, heat it up, and it will just melt to the wire, making it waterproof, giving it that waterproof seal and all that, keeping them from touching each other, right? So different sizes. Everything looks pretty much. By the fingers. Lifting it up. I have to double check. I have to count it, but I will make sure that it's the right amount and everything. Okay, everything looks pretty good to me. You know, we'll see. I guess so. I'll count them up and everything. But yeah, so that's it for that. Like I said, I have a few other things like this bigger package, and I have a couple more coming in. Yeah, that's it for this. If I haven't said it already in the beginning, I'm saying it now. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you've all had a great Thanksgiving so far, or still having a good time with your families and everything. I just know it's a time for love, time for being thankful, to everyone. Being thankful for what you have, okay, and everything. Yeah, time for family, time for time to be together and everything, family and everything, and safely staying safe, around each other and everything, and keeping your distance and everything, keeping your mask on and all that, and if you're not leaving, even if your family and everything, if you're away, you're just visiting or they're visiting you, and stuff like that, and yeah, keep it safe, everyone, and comment down below what you guys had for your Thanksgiving, and let me know if you had like a large family over or you went over to your family's house, if it was like really extended family or if it was small net group, whatever. Just let me know. Comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. Peace.